Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, we've got some pretty funny stories to go over with you guys. But first, let's start off with a pretty serious one. Facebook users in the US are down 15 million, but most users switched to Instagram, which I guess most people don't understand that Instagram is Facebook. But obviously with all of the changes that Facebook's been going through, privacy scandals, I mean, just this past week, Facebook changed it. So if you ever input your phone number for two-factor authentication or put your cell number in, you cannot hide that from anyone. So it's either going to be friends, friends of friends, or everyone. So literally your phone number is now public, or at least some subset of people, which is ridiculous. So I've been telling people for years now, if you put your phone number into Facebook, remove it. But now it might be too late. So sad to see that, but it is what it is. And I do actually have evidence that Facebook is selling your phone number to third parties and advertisers, but that's another story for another day. But for right now, it seems a lot of people in the United States are deleting their Facebook account, which is great to see. Facebook needs to die a very quick, painful death because really it's just intruding on everyone's privacy here. But moving to Instagram is not much better. They do almost the exact same thing. They've been caught using the microphone in the background when you don't know it. Just a very disgusting company overall. So if you use either of those, hate to see it happen, but it is what it is. All right, now this one's pretty funny. President Trump calls Tim Cook Tim Apple at the White House meeting. I don't want to get this video removed for showing this, but here, I'll play it real quick. Let me turn up this volume all the way. Hopefully you guys can hear this. I'll put the mic close to the speakers.
Into our country. We appreciate it very much, Tim Apple.
So Trump literally called Tim Cook Tim Apple, and Tim Cook just kind of nodded his head like, yeah, okay. Don't know if Trump did that on purpose, but because, it's been a little rocky between the two of them. But I think they're getting along a little bit better. And honestly, I think Tim Cook behind closed doors actually does like Trump because, they're both very, very wealthy individuals. They know how money actually works in this economy. So I think they're actually pretty close friends. They just kind of act like they're not. But I don't know. I just thought that was pretty funny. Tim Apple, come on, Trump, get your shit together. And now lastly, this is probably the biggest story. The Samsung Galaxy S10 face unlock can be fooled by a drawing. I don't know if this is actually real or not. It's hard to tell just from this, at least about the drawing part, but it is totally true that this thing is unlocked by a photo of the person. So if you have a photo of your friend on your phone and you steal his Galaxy S10 and you pull up the photo of him on your phone and you scan it, pretending that it's his face, but it's actually just a photo, it will unlock to that person. This does not have the iris sensing or the depth technology like the iPhone does. Now, I'm not saying that the iPhone has the iris sensing. I'm saying that the older Samsung phones had the iris sensing. This one is literally just taking a photo. Like when you scan your face with the Galaxy S10, the brand new Samsung phone, it is just taking a photo basically and matching that to whatever you scanned on file. That's why it can be fooled with this. So this is super, super insecure. You should not be using Face Unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you are, turn it off. Now, some people have been complaining about the in-screen fingerprint scanner on the S10, saying that it is slow and inaccurate. So they're actually going back to turning on the Face Unlock, which is stupid because it's so insecure. So Samsung should probably have just removed that. Or at least warn people that it is not secure at all. I mean, this is ridiculous. Someone could literally steal your phone and just pull you up on Facebook or something, get your picture and unlock it. So please, guys, if you are using a Samsung Galaxy S10, turn off Face Unlock. It is not secure. This is just my public service announcement, even though this is not a Samsung channel. I'm trying to help you all out. And I'm sure you'll hear more about this in the news because this news just broke yesterday because they just started getting delivered yesterday. And honestly, not many tech sites are reporting on this. And I think this is a huge deal. So again, Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus or the S10e, I think has it. I don't know. Turn off Face Unlock. And if the fingerprint scanner just sucks too bad, I guess switch over to an iPhone. I don't know what to tell you. But that's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.